In a land high above the clouds, nestled between two candy-colored mountains, lived a young dragon named Draco. Unlike other dragons who breathed fire and guarded treasure, Draco had a sweet little secret. Every night, he curled up on his marshmallow bed and dreamt of cones stacked with scoops of rainbow swirls, jelly bean fudge, and blueberry sprinkles. But there was one big problem. Whenever Draco tried to make or taste ice cream, his fire breath melted it instantly. "How will I ever eat ice cream if I keep turning it into puddles?" He sighed, watching his latest banana split disappear into sticky goo. Draco wasn't like the other dragons who were proud of their fire. He wanted to cool down and taste his dreams. One chilly morning, Draco flapped his wings and set out on a quest to find the legendary Frosty Hill, a magical place where cold things never melt. He flew over Chocolate River, past the Singing Cactus Valley, and finally reached the snowy peak of Frosty Hill, where snowflakes never stopped twirling, even in the summer. At the very top stood a glittering ice cream-shaped castle made entirely of frozen sugar, and guarding the gate was Popsicle Pete, the penguin wizard. Draco politely bowed and said, "Sir Pete, I want to taste ice cream like every other creature, but my fire breath ruins it all." Popsicle Pete wobbled forward, twirled his ice wand, and said, "Every dreamer deserves a scoop, but you must learn to cool your fire with kindness and calm." Draco was confused. Kindness and calm? Pete nodded. The fire inside us doesn't always have to burn. Sometimes it just needs a reason to glow. He handed Draco a tiny magic cone and said, "When you've learned to control your flames with your heart, this cone will give you your first true scoop." So Draco practiced. He helped lost butterflies find their way. He warmed cold bunnies with his gentle breath. He read stories to sleepy squirrels under moonlight, and slowly his fire softened. No longer wild and smoky, his flames flickered like cozy candlelight, warm, not scorching. One evening, as pink clouds floated by, Draco held the magic cone close and whispered, "I'm ready." The cone began to shimmer and out bloomed a single scoop of dreamberry swirl ice cream, cold, creamy, and perfect. Draco licked it slowly. It was everything he imagined. Sweet, cool, and full of magic. He smiled so wide, even the stars giggled. Draco returned to his cloud-top home and opened the first Sky Creamery, an ice cream parlor for all creatures of the sky. His fire now helped make crispy cones, toasted marshmallow toppings, and warm chocolate drizzle without melting a single scoop. And every scoop reminded him, dreams can come true, even if you breathe fire.